Hi guys, welcome to this Power BI series. I have added all the videos which we did previously in the playlist. So if you missed that, go there and watch it to understand the concept clearly. So today topic is append query. So in this video, you will learn how to append the query in the Power BI using the Power Query and combine multiple files or multiple types into the single data set using a real world project example. So let's start. So for using this append query, first you need to open the Power BI, open the Power Query. In the Power Query, in the home page, you will get this option, append query. I have covered the merge query in the previous one. Okay, so if you'll cut the append query, so you will get the two option, two table. If you have the two table, you click here. If you have a more than three table, click here and select the tables from the dot bound which table you need to combine. Okay, so you can combine in that existing or you can combine in the new file as you want. So make sure in the append query allow you to combine exit column structure and the data type. You need to remember this, right? So pro tips I will covered in the next videos where you need to fetch all the files from the folder. Okay, let's do it in the practical way this time. I'll open the Power BI. In the Power Query, I'll open it and we'll fetch some data from the source file, data in the CSV file. So I'll click the CSV. Let's search in 2020 data for the sales. It's coming. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll come here. Search in the new file, fetch it in the 2021. Okay. Then okay. New source, CSV, 2020 file. And okay. See, three file you have pasted in this, right? So let's rename it as a sales data 2022. I move the adventure work from this data. Click here in this window. Remove the adventure from the sales. Actually, I'm just renaming it. You want to give any name, you can, right? Okay. So the three data is together in front of you. Select any data. Go there in the home page. In the home page, in the last, you will see the append query. If you click in the drop down, so append query in the existing one. If you want to give the new one, so the less time will append or in the new, we'll create a new file for it as a combined file. Click here. So first table is this. Will I have it actually more than one, more than two. So click here in the two file. This is already selected. Select a file one by one or control with the file. Add the file will go here. Select another different file. Click here. So all file here. When you complete the all files, maybe it went more than three. If yes, then okay. So sorry, one append file would be here, right? You can rename it as a sales data 2020 to 2020, right? This is the sales data. So you can check it in this file. If you check it, only 2020 data is available. See, right? But in this file, if you click here, go there in the drop down, select, maybe continue the complete load and check it. See, 2020, 2021, right? And in the last you will see 2022 file. So we have combined all the file together, right? One more thing, if let's suppose it's the file is using here, if you want to delete this file, this pop-up will come. It's saying that this is using reference by the another query. So because of this, we are not able to delete it because this query is using here, right? So these are the today topic, and the next topic will cover some pro tips, right? Tips is like append file from the folder. So there was a multiple files from one folder, and we need to fetch all the files from the folder and combine it together. Okay, how can we do that? Let's try to do it in the next video with a practical live example. Okay, so see you in the next video.